就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Hakka Music here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here's an artist known as Lin Yuting, who is also the band leader of Sango Da Hou Shen Yue Tuan. Now, this track is called One Thing For Sure, and through this song, she hopes to pass on warm encouragements to people who feel like there's no hope and that there's always new opportunities that will arise. So let's take a listen to this song right now. Again, it's called One Thing For Sure.
一个天长跟一个闪耀点灿烂的记忆，大地上九個見面改變定激動嘅風，波提微笑經驗，講定內心嘅感言。嘿呀，總係安那理解。總係瞬息萬變，有光有暗。嘿呀，總做得多做一些，總做得真心迷笑時才擁抱。
从小在新竹竹东长大的客家人林玉婷呢，也是我们三狗大后生乐团的团长哦。而这首歌呢叫做《是啊总可以》，希望呢透过她的歌声呢传达温暖的力量。这个人生的旅途中啊，难免会有一些挑战啊，还有社会议题会很气愤啊。希望透过这些爱心跟同理心呢，可以带给人们多一点希望喽。
落一個嘅天空，係明亮輕鬆嘅藍，一個天長跟一個閃耀點燦爛嘅記憶，大地上九個見面改變定激動嘅風，波提微笑經驗，講定內心嘅感言。嘿呀，總係安那理解，總係瞬息萬變，有光有暗。嘿呀，總做得多做一些，總做得真心迷笑誰在擁抱。嘿呀，總係安那理解。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.